Good medical morning. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping, and today we're looking at our fan favorite Facebook page for Freaky Medical. If you like what you see, click the link below and follow the page. First off, here are some of our favorite blackhead removal clips and pimple pops. Of course, if you are a pimple popper, I recommend picking up a 7-piece kit like this. We'll have more at the end of the video. While you watch a few more pops, I just want to thank everyone who likes this page and our Facebook page. We post over 30 pimple popping videos a week on Facebook, so if pimple popping is your thing, you're gonna love our page. Now, lastly, let's check out this incredible Photoshop nose pimple. Nice. See you next time. Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.